Has this ever happened to you? Now let's talk about it. Imagine spending hours and hours, most of the times, even sleepless nights, decorating a particular cake, and probably on your way to deliver the cake, or maybe displaying just like seen in that video, something happened and all your effort becomes wasted. I want to assure you that you're not alone. The problem is that no one prepares us for this. No one prepares you for the certain disasters that you might be undergoing in this business. But that is why this platform and this page has come. So do me well to follow, like, share, and even subscribe if this is of interest to you. We are here to hold our hands together and walk through this journey so we could always be confident and comfortable doing whatever we are doing. So today we are going to be talking about the causes, the possible solutions, and ways to also prevent it. For a start, I'm going to be giving you 4 reasons why this thing can happen. Number 1, it's as a result of a heat. If the environment where you're decorating the cake is quite sunny or warm, most of the times it tends to make your frosting unstable, and this could lead to this. Number 2 is too much filling. If you use a lot of filling, even your thick cream, your jam, whatever it is, your caramel fillings, if you use a lot of fillings coupled with a warm environment, this could happen. Uneven layers, when your cakes are not uneven, probably the lower one is bigger than the upper one. This also can happen. And then finally, if you don't have adequate support, if you do not dowel your cake properly, it could lead to this thing. It could lead to your cake sliding off, and these events can happen. But how do we prevent this? So here are the ways that we could prevent this thing from happening, and you will always present your beautiful cake. Number 1, please chill your cake before stacking. Make sure that they are chill. When you're decorating a cake that is firm, it's often better and easier. Alright, and then level each cake. Ensure that each of the cakes are properly leveled. Like once you're stacking your cakes, they are leveled. Pipe a ring of buttercream or ganache around the edge before adding your soft fillings. Don't just go ahead and add your fillings. That ring forms like a bridge, a barricade to keep your fillings intact. And then it also helps, most importantly, that you dowel your cake properly. Put in that dowel, especially for cakes that are going on a distance. Please ensure you dowel your cake properly. Most of the times we'll advise that your central dowel be stuck to your cake board. It has a way of holding your cake in place. But has it ever happened, or is it happening at the moment, or what can you do if you find yourself in such a situation? Do not panic. All you need to do, if it is redeemable, you can simply utilize this. Use a long skewer to pipe right down, pull it right down through the cake, pop the cake inside the fridge, and then when it is firm a little bit, you can refrost, restack, or redecorate. Alright, but most importantly, do not panic and don't get very agitated about it. You are not alone. Do not forget. And then for us to close, are you planning on entering the cake business? You're more than welcome to enter, or you're more than welcome to join. Be rest assured that there are situations, cake chaoses, happenstances that could actually affect business, not just basically for cakes, every other business. But I need you to stay calm, stay focused, and do not forget to ask for help if required. Thank you for watching.